300 students were asked whether or not they were enrolled in a VET or certificate course and whether or not they had a part-time job, yes or no. Responses are summarised below. A. Which is the explanatory variable? B. Is there an association between having a part-time job and a student workload? So part A, the way this table's set up, these columns are your explanatory variable, so the student workload, and that makes sense. You might decide that your workload is too high to be doing a part-time job, for instance if you're doing all ATAR subjects, or if you're doing certificates you might decide you want to get a part-time job to help complement your certificates. Okay, if you look at the data, 80% of students doing VET or certificates have got a part-time job, but only 40% of ATAR students have got a part-time job. So for part B, there is an association between student workload and whether or not a part-time job is acquired. In this group, 80% of students doing a VET or certificate course also had a part-time job, and only 40% of ATAR students had a job. ATAR students may be too busy for a part-time job, and VET or CERT students may be looking for a practical experience.